A lot of memories which you have shared are quite nice, and these are the memories which will stay with you for your lifetime. I hope so. And generally, it stays when you stay in school and after school. The reality will, will hit you now, because in school from nursery till 12th, you are in a protective environment. So all the things which you have come across, you have been in a very, very protective environment. Now, when you move out, you will see the real world, how things happen, what things are, and very, very nasty things you will face in life. But it was a very nice journey with you. Whatever time you have spent, all of you have given, like many of you have spoken that you have been here since nursery, and you have fond memories as well as not so fond memories. But still, I would say all your teachers have been working really hard with you, and the ultimate reward to your teachers would be when you are appreciated. Now, whether you are appreciated by your school or anywhere else, you even if you pass out, you go somewhere and you do good in life. All your teachers, no matter how much some teacher might have scolded you, but they will always feel good about you. And the scolding which your teachers give, I would like to tell you that none of your teachers would think bad about you. They always want to tell you that, see, this is not right, this is right. You come in a right direction. That is their intention. The intention is never to hurt you or to make you feel bad. But unless and until you are adamant of improving yourself, so the teachers will take the other course so that you should come on the right path. At that point of time, you may feel bad about it, which you can, but the intention is never bad and never wrong. So, some of you have spoken about your ex-teachers who are not here in the schools. They have contributed a lot to your upbringing. They have been really good. The names which you have mentioned and the names which you have not mentioned. So they have all have been one interest, that was the betterment of you, and always respect your all the teachers. Now, respect doesn't mean you do something or you show something, but it should be there inside you. You need not show it or display it in any way, but if it is there, then it is good enough. For your future, your 12th is your exams are starting, so coming to your academic thing back a little bit. So I wish you all the best. I hope you do really well in your board exams. Please do your best. Rest, no matter how many marks comes, that doesn't matter. But unless and until you have given your best, that is important. Give your best, and things will be great, I believe. But even if they are not, but try to give your best. So no matter you score how many marks or really, I'm not bothered. But I would love to see if you score really good marks, and that is what I would love to see. But give your best, always. No matter what you do, always give your best. Now there are many memories which I'm also having of you people who have been, although you are, in your 12th, you did not did many of the activities in class 12, but you have been doing it all throughout. But you are the role models when you come to 12th, and the feeling of association with your school. You are the example Now, whatever these 11 students are seeing, they are following you, that what our seniors have done. So always present yourself as a role model for them as well as for your own sake. You learn a lot. Now, these 11 students have really worked hard to organize all this, which you did last year, you did to your seniors, which was really good. You did the same thing. They did also, they really did the hard work. I would not like to compare it who is first and who is second, but still they have done really good. So that was the example that was set by you. Okay, so that was one example that has been set by you. So they are continuing that, and I hope rest of them will be continuing. So we are there to support all these activities for good, and we always pray for your betterment, and along with your parents. So always your parents, no matter what you do. Because parents are very close to us, we do not care about them. We most of the time we fight with them, but always respect your parents. No, none of the people in the world will care about you, whether in good or in bad. Your parents will always care about you. No matter how bad your state is, no matter how right you are, no matter how wrong you are, even if you have done the not so good things, they are the ones who support you, the rest of the world will not. So never ever think and say bad about your parents. Always respect your parents. So with these words, I would like to announce today's titles which you have done, so whatever things you have done. So first, Mr. Studious goes to Vanshaj Kaiska.